I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into OneNote with the account that holds the notebook. This ensures permissions are manageable. Once signed in, open the notebook stored on OneDrive or SharePoint and click Share. You choose between inviting specific people or creating a shareable link. Make sure to pick Edit or View. If inviting people, add their email addresses and an optional message, then send. If using a link, copy it and prepare to distribute securely. Next, you refine permissions so collaboration works smoothly. When inviting people, assign Edit or View per recipient. This avoids accidental changes. If you create a link, adjust link options, set an expiration date, enable a password, and toggle editing rights. For notebooks on SharePoint, make sure the site and library permissions align, and that sync is enabled so changes propagate. Once done, double-check the permission list and notify. Finally, you confirm access and monitor collaboration to keep the notebook healthy. Verify that recipients receive the invite or link and can open the notebook on their device. Ask them to test editing if applicable. Monitor recent edits and be ready to revoke links or change permissions if problems arise. If someone reports missing content, troubleshoot sync. Check OneDrive or SharePoint status, ensure users are signed in, and update OneNote apps. If needed, reshare after resolving sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.